Okay, students, so come to the next exercise, exercise 12.2. So 12.2 is all about bar graph, double bar graph and histogram. So all of you in class 7, all of you learned that how to draw bar graph, how to draw double bar graph, histogram, etc. Okay, so look at the page number 118, bar graphs and histograms. So we have studied about bar graphs in class 7. So a display of information using, basically what is bar graph? A display of information using bars of uniform width, their heights being proportional to the respective classes. So the bar graph given below shows the production of fertilizers by a company over the years. Okay, so basically in bar graph, all of you know that there are two axes. One is vertical axis and one is horizontal axis. Okay, so bar graph, this type of question you have to solve in graph paper. So suppose in the vertical axis, the given values are like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, and the horizontal axis, suppose given the information. Okay, suppose in suppose 1998 the production, like the previous question already done, solving, suppose in 12.1, suppose 1999 production is suppose 15 crore, like this. So just see the example. Suppose 1999, in this case suppose this one is 15, 2000, suppose the value is 10. Okay, suppose I am just giving an example of this. Suppose this one is 20. The main thing is the width of the bars must be equal in all cases. So using the scale and draw the bars, first thing. And next one is different distance between two bars. Distance between two bars, that part is also must be equal. Okay, this is the basic things of bar graphs. Again, double bar graphs, all of you know that if double data is compared, then you have to write, suppose double bar graph is like that. One is this one and this one. Again, suppose 1999, comparison of two companies in expenditure, suppose this one, or income, suppose this one. Again, suppose like this. So in this case, again, the width of all the bars must be equal and distance between them must be equal. Okay, this is the basic thing. I think all of you know, all of you solve this question very, and all of you suppose take it very easily, because very scoring questions of statistics. This, okay. So again, a double bar graph, again example was given that in your book. Okay, a bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously, it is used for the comparison of data. Okay, the bar graph given below shows the sales of books in thousand numbers from 6 branches of a publishing company during the consecutive years 2000 and 2001. So look at these question examples. So this one is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, like that. It's the branches, and vertical axis the amount given. Okay, so now come to the exercise 12.2.